Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on an Android 14 smartphone. So to start, you will need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. So let me quickly do that off the screen. Once this step is out of the way, input the Opera query at the search bar, and then once the needed app is found, simply tap at the install button over here. Now let me quickly clear the downloading queue so nothing will intervene with the Opera download. So once the app is ready to be launched, you will obviously need to open it and perform a simple initial setup. Firstly, tap at the continue button, then choose if you would like to enable notifications, or you can skip the step, or perhaps you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can skip the step also. And finally, you are able to either customize the data collection preferences for Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, or well, at least asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for excuse me, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.